Hello guys. I hope you can hear me. What's up, Mafuk Alarm? Hey, let's see what we have today. Quick stream today. I don't have too much time. I quickly need to fix this. Need to fix my screen. I think now it's better. Okay, yo, let's go. Let's get a quick glimpse in of the market and see if we get a trade today. We're gonna analyze crypto, we're gonna analyze NQ, and then wait for the triggers, as always. Let's see where we are with Bitcoin. Bitcoin was in a trade that I closed yesterday evening, since we had this Sunday scam pump, and I just wanted to get out of it, and I always posted it on X. So if you're not following me on X, obviously follow me. I posted everything live. We were in this hour 4 leg to the upside, as you can see right here. Hour 4 is bullish. Then this is the discount zone of the hour 4 leg. Thanks for the sub. I can't read the name, Pranchu something. Thanks for the sub. And we retraced into the discount zone, as you can see here. Then I turned to the hour 1, analyzed market structure according to my 2-candle rule, the rules that I teach in my one-on-one coachings, and then we shifted structure right here with a valid shift, 2-candle closes above, and then I entered somewhere here because I didn't see the shift, and I just market entered right here. Stop loss is at the lows. Just checking if I can see this correct, but yes, I do, I think. Yeah, exactly, it was like this. And the full take profit was at 2R. And as you can see, this trade hit perfect TP. You can go back on my X page. I updated it exactly like this. Of course, I don't show you the position itself, but the path, everything was updated, and it played out very well. This is my hour 4, hour 1 crypto system that I use and that I teach as well to all my one-on-one students. And it's a very simple system, but it works. And that was the case for Bitcoin on this trade. Now, what am I doing now? Now it's time to be patient again. This hour 4 range is still intact. And if we get a nice push below here again into the discount zone, then I would wait for a clean shift again and then long it again to the range highs, to at least this high. And even further if market gives it. What's up, Niels? And that was a clean Bitcoin trade. I think some of my students took it as well. And pretty clean trade. Everything that I needed was aligning. And it played out. Like right here, this was the trade. And now it's time to wait again. Be patient. We wait for another retracement into the discount zone. Then wait for a clean shift in structure again in this zone. And then try it again. Oh yeah, another trigger of this was the RSI divergence that we have here. We have lower lows. And the RSI made higher lows, lower lows on price, higher lows on the RSI, means RSI bullish divergence. That was another requirement for this trade. And as you can see, it worked out pretty well. Ethereum was pretty similar, but I didn't take a trade since we never had a clean shift. We had a shift right here. But obviously we pumped very high again. So now what I'm doing right here is wait for again a little retracement, then a clean shift, and then I would long it with a clean invalidation, since right here this invalidation, lots of lows here. What I could do is something like this, but I'm not foaming into it now. I wait for another sweep of these lows, and then I will long if we get a clean shift in structure in, since we first need to close below here, shift bearish, and then we can shift bullish again, and then I would long it as well to this high at least, and to the range high area, like right here. This would be my Ethereum plan. And yeah, it's also pretty simple. For Solana, I'm waiting for shorts. I would have waited for this one to happen, but obviously it never happened, so I didn't get a trigger. But what I will wait for now is a close below here, and then I would take a short. Lots of room to the downside on Solana. As you can see right here, all these lows. If we get this, we also have a nice divergence right here on the RSI. If we get below here, that would give me a short trigger for Solana shorts. And Ethereum Bitcoin, I'm long, or I'm looking for longs, I should say. And yeah, those are the big three that I'm trading, that I'm looking for trades. And if anyone has questions, of course, feel free to ask in the chat. And now let's check NQ. NQ, we waited for this trade on Friday, but it never got filled. So fresh chart. And first thing is always do, let's see where market stands. And then I can say what my triggers will be. If we stay like this, I will just short closes below the range today, since we are bearish with this leg. We haven't shifted structure bullish, and that means I have short triggers if we get below the range low. But first, of course, we have to close the opening range in 3 minutes, and then we can look for a short, or we can also see, okay, can we maybe get a long trigger as well today, which looks likely. Complete draw, hype. Let's see, where's hype? Let's check. Yeah, hype is at a funny place. Honestly, I would short it somewhere here. Get a range established here, and then short the retracement into this range. That would be something. But other than that, not too clean to me. We are in this daily imbalance as well, and then I would short a little retracement if we get it. But other than that, not too clean for me. Yeah, those are the big three. And now let's wait for the range to get closed, and then I explain you my scenarios for NQ today. Then we go over some more questions, and then I have to hop out because I need to do stuff. And if you have any questions now, of course, feel free to ask, or any chart I should look at. We have 20 more seconds, then we can comfortably say, okay, the range is closed, and then we can look at the scenarios. But as it is now, closest below the range low would give me short triggers since market is bearish. If we get two closes above here, we would turn to bullish, and then I would long some breakouts of the range. Yeah, the range is now closed, and I can comfortably set my alarms. Because if we get above now, right here, and close two candles above, then I would long a retest of the range. Or if we stay like this and get below here, I would short if we break down. Those would be my NQ scenarios for the day. First, obviously, we need two candle closes above here, or one candle close below here. That's enough for a short. And yeah, those are the scenarios for the day. Now we have to wait, basically. We have to be patient, wait. And yeah, let the trades come to us. Don't FOMO into the trades. Don't chase them. Let them come to you. That's basically it, guys. Do you have any questions? If yes, feel free to ask me, and I will go over some questions. Because I don't have much more time yet, or I don't have any more time today, but a few quick questions, and then we can hop off and wait for our trades to come. Okay, guys, thank you all for tuning in. It was a short one, but yeah, the market is pretty boring. I can't tell you much more. Crypto plans are clear. Wait for another sweep of the lows and then long in the discount zone. Ethereum, same game. Solana, wait for a clean shift on the hour 1 with an RSI divergence, and then we short Solana. And for NQ, wait for breakouts. Two closes above here for long triggers above the range high, or if we now grind lower, one close below here would give me a short trigger already. Oh yeah, with the targets, of course, as always. 1.2 is my break-even point and 1.5 is my take profit target. Is market bearish NQ, Liam? Yes, for me it is bearish since we had this aggressive leg to the downside tonight during Asia session, and we haven't closed two candles above here yet. So if we close two candles above here, we are bullish, and then I can look for longs above range high. But for now, we are bearish until we get above here, for two candle closes above here, I mean. Since this was only a liquidity grab, the second candle, as you can see, we closed one candle above, but the second one closed back below, so that's not a valid shift, so we are still bearish. And yeah, now we have to wait. Waiting. And yeah, that's the name of the game today. Waiting and waiting. Okay guys, then thank you all for tuning in. Yeah, subscribe obviously if you don't want to miss the live streams. And if you are interested in the one-on-one coaching, send me a DM on X or on Instagram. I think the links should be down below. Then we have a little chat, see if you are a right fit and if it even makes sense for you. And then, yeah, we'll have a talk. And yeah, today, thank you all for tuning in. Next YouTube live stream next Monday. Sadly, market is boring today, but that's just sometimes how it is. Not forcing trades is a very big, important thing. Okay, guys, thank you all for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.